magical zoo, unlike any other. Animals from around the world gather for the first ever zoo Animal Olympics. Meet Rusty, a small but determined red panda with bright, curious eyes and a fluffy coat. Watching the announcements with excitement, competitors line up. Leo the mighty lion, Zara the speedy cheetah, and Alina the graceful giraffe, all showing off their impressive skills. In the first event, the tree climbing challenge, Rusty tries his best, but tumbles down, landing softly on his feet, but clearly disappointed as other animals laugh. Wise old tortoise Turbo offers encouragement. Every champion starts as a learner. Find your special strength later while practicing. Rusty discovers his incredible balance and agility when navigating a tricky obstacle course designed for smaller animals. The final event begins. The grand obstacle course, where Rusty will face his larger competitors in an epic test of skill and determination. As the race starts, Rusty uses his small size and incredible balance to navigate obstacles that stumped the larger animals, moving with surprising speed and precision. In the final stretch, Rusty faces the most challenging part, the Great Wall. Using his unique climbing skills, he reaches the top just as Leo roars in frustration below. Crossing the finish line first, Rusty is crowned the first Zoo Animal Olympics champion, proving that heart and determination can overcome any challenge.